Hello guys, good morning. Okay, one simple shock absorber bolt turns out to big freaking job. Look at this. This is the bolt for the shock absorber. So because of this bolt holds the shock absorber here. 97 Dodge Dakota, 1996 or 1999. So this bolt holds the thing. So what happens is when I take this off, because this bolt went backs up a little bit. So during the time when I drive this vehicle on the road, it creates a knocking noise. By the time I take this bolt out, it snaps because it seized up. Look at that. So this thing lift here. So lift here to the lower control arm knuckle here. So what I did, I tried to heat it up with a portable torch. Didn't help. So I tried to extract it, drill it. Didn't help. So it ended me to bring this the whole thing, the whole lower arm, including this torsion, what they call this thing, big bar here, torsion bar, something, what the hell you call it. So I ended up taking the whole thing apart and bring this to the shop and heat it up with a big torch. Heat up to the super hot, like a orange color, and then you take a vice grip. So pretending this is a vice grip here, this is not a vice grip. So because this one is seized up, broken nuts there. So left here, so there's a little bit left here, so I can grab a vice grip, grab it there. And once this one you heat it, it will expand. So you have to heat it. You heat it with a super hot orange color. So they just clap with the vice grip, crack to rust. So I did it. Now trying to put it on. So well, when you put this thing together, don't put this procedure, this thing. I tried the first time, I couldn't get in when I put this lower arm first, because there's a tension there, that torsion bar. I couldn't put the screw, the big screw that's holding the torsion bar, what you call that. So what you need to do is, what I did is I screw first the end of that. I'll show you here. The end of that torsion bar there. That's a big bolt. Look at that. So I screw that thread loosely. Right now I tighten that already to the right specs. So I screw that loosely as long as you can, and then I jack up it here. Jack up in this area a little bit, and you see this thing, the stabilizer bar. This stabilizer bar, it's on the way a little bit. We get to do this. Just move this lower arm outside a little bit, right up to the end here, and kind of put this lower arm on the top of this stabilizer bar, so that you can sneak this one goes to the frame. It's just like that much. You can get this thing and kind of prying this stabilizer bar downward, and you can set that lower arm. And now I'm putting that together. So I did that. So what's the next thing is put it back together. So I did it, and I put an anti-seize I torque this bolt here. I did torquing this 129 foot-pounds. This big bolt holding this rear portion of the knuckled lower arm, and this one you can torque this to 100, maybe 150, 120 foot-pounds. The front one, because this is smaller bolt. So it's you have to tie the strap here so that you have more room if you don't let this down, so it's disturbing you. Okay, now you have you know how to put this thing together. And this one here, when you take this off, here's the rotor and the brake here, caliper. You don't need to take this brake apart. All you need to do is take this nut here from the upper control arm and the lower control arm ball joint. Sometimes this pain in the ass to take it off. You need like press, take this off because it's seized. But this now I took this apart already when I changed it, because this ball joint is new. This one is new too. So what I did is it's easier for me to took this apart. Okay. So I tie a strap here so to make it safer and make sure the line of the brakes it's not pinching there. So it's just to hold there, and it's easier for me to put it back. Okay, it's time to put it back, and that's it. You can reverse procedure. You're taking this part. So that's what I said. Simple bolt. This is the bolt. I grabbed this from the other truck that goes in there. See, hold your, just like that. Hold your shocks going there. By the time when I take this off, it snaps. So pain in the ass. So all you need to do is to hit it, and done deal. You change the bolt and put it together. You need a torch. Don't waste your time with that extractor. Didn't help for me because the pilot drill bit, you drill it, it breaks, keep breaking. Maybe those drill bits are cheap. They're not good. So I ended up to heating it to the super hot. Okay, that's the end. So I think you can do the rest. Now I'm gonna torque this. Torque this again. This 21 volt. But you need to hold this thing here. Another 15. Oh, not 15. No, it's not. It's 18. 18. The head of the bolt nut is 21. Hold this. There you go. That's, I put it 130. The book says 129 foot-pounds. That's good. Now here I'm gonna torque that too. Then I can put everything. And that's it. You know how to put your lower arm ready, and try to put anti-seize in this thing. You should put anti-seize. Good. Thanks for watching, and have fun. Let's rock and roll.